Isipan ko, gagawa ako ng isang concoction, titingnan natin, maraming eksperimento, iba-ibang experiment. So, pero mga bandang ano na, yata August o September, na perfect ko na yung formula. So, ito i-share ko sa inyo, no? So, ano ang materials natin? Of course, ang materials natin ay, you need this one. Ang tawag dito sa Pilipino, it's oregano. 4 pieces. Tapos, this one is, hindi, ang oregano maganda siya sa ano, talaga para sa ubo saka sa sipon, no? This one is ang tawag dito sambong. I forgot the English term, ano. Please check it na lang sa Google. Pero this one is diuretic. Pag may UTI ka, itong ginagamit nila, sambong. And also you need this one, you need molasses. Tapos water, no? Water. So ang gagawin mo lang, what you will do is to put some water sa lalagyan, no? Tapos, of course I have to stand. Put some water sa lalagyan, place the oregano and the sambong inside, no? Then squeeze it. We'll have to get the juice. So we'll have to squeeze it until we get the juice. This is the, ano pala, I forgot, this is the container, no? The drinking water of the chickens. So it's already more or less 75% filled with water. So you'll have to squeeze the combined oregano and sambong, no, to get the juice, no. You have to squeeze it. Okay. So probably around 1 minute or 1 minute only. You can also try to blend them, but for me it's the simpler the better, eh. Kaya, ganyan na lang, squeeze na lang natin siya. Then after that, after squeezing, once you get the juice of the oregano, the combined oregano and the sambong, no? Actually, last night, I checked the name of the sambong in English, but I forgot it because it's very hard to pronounce. It's very long. So, after squeezing, you get, what's this? You get molasses. Probably you can peel the molasses for this cup. Pero kung tansya na lang, no? Kunti lang naman ang kailangan, eh. Then you mix the oregano and the combine with the molasses. Okay? After that, once you have squeezed it already and all the juice has been taken out, okay na, wala na siya. So ang gagawin mo na is you have to get the strainer. So you put the lagay mo yung mix mo sa lalagyan nila. Until it's complete. Okay. That's it. Don't throw the wag niyo itapon yung sobra, no? Ilagay lang sa lalagyan, tapos patuyuin nyo lang siya. Tapos pwede nyo siyang ihalo doon sa, remember the appetizer? Pwede nyo siyang ihalo doon. Pag natuyo to, pagkain pa rin ulit siya ng manok. So ang general idea, walang tatapon. So parang circular economy. Lahat ng waste magagamit mo pa. So after that, you can give the herbal medicine and energy drink for chickens sa mga alaga mo na. So, that's it, no? That's part 2. Okay, so, next meeting, next vlog pa, not next meeting, pasensya na kayo, masahay kasi sa meeting, eh. Next vlog would be, the pre-food, no? Pre-supplemental food, which include na mga halaman, and introduce ko na rin yung black soldier fly. So, I hope, no? You could, wait and watch it again. So, this is it. Thank you very much.